Hello, this is Minecraft with Jay here.
Here comes someone.
I hate to start off this channel with a snowing video, but I mean, Minecraft's in the name, but I thought I might as well post this on YouTube as a sledding video. So we're at Nature Hill today, on New Year's Eve.
Ready? We're gonna have to be quick.
Okay, and my brother and dad are gonna go up to the top and sled down. I'm gonna be filming.
If he loses his direction.
Which he probably
Let's move back.
Oh gosh, whoa! Whoa! It's gonna be funny. Okay.
Oh, there's another one coming. That doesn't look too good. Oh, they're gonna bring it back. Through the bush. Okay.
Oh my gosh! Whoa, okay. So there's my dad and my brother. Gonna go up there, slide down. Oh, well, I guess right here. I did do full way once, and like I fell off, I was still on, and I don't know. Tell me in the comments if you would consider that a pretty good run. So there they are, up in the ditch. In the ditch, there they are. Right there. There they are, they crashed. Okay. So, yeah. But a lot of people here are probably gonna be like, hey, I'm on YouTube. Guy there. Guy there. Everybody there? Where are they? Where's my dad? Oh, there they are. You probably can't see them. There, somewhere. I don't know. Maybe I'll point them out. So I usually wear glasses, but hi. So I'm not going full way because last time I did, it was just so hard, and it was just so rough. And that ditch down there, oh my gosh, it's so rough. Oh my. Whoa. Sorry, it's that guy right there. You like jump there and slid down. So here's my dad. I'm gonna go ask him how it was.
Whoa.
How was it?
That was very fast.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go.
Hey James, you can hang out here.
Okay, so my brother.
Tree, that way you've got protection.
Yeah. So my brother's gonna be here. James, can I trust you to hold this camera, and like just stay here and try and point at me and don't drop? Okay. Promise, don't drop. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Actually, no. Hey, sorry, audience. I think I'm gonna cut this video and I'm gonna be right back. I'm sorry. Bye. Okay. Hey, this is Minecraft with Jay, and I'm sorry you didn't get to see my sled, but snow got kicked up in my face. But now you're gonna see the actual like footage, like how it's going to be like. My dad and my brothers run, actually.
You ready?
So there you go. Don't get my camera.
Ooh. How was that? We lost the sled. 30 seconds of fun. Oh yeah! Oh God! Oh, so painful. Okay. Ouch. At least we kept the sled this time. Is that Christopher going into a tree? Yes, it is. What was that like, James? Sounds terrible.
They went full way.
Oh, geez, we better get out of the way.
Oh. Oh, hi, James. This is awesome slide, Dad. Oh, man.
How's that, James?
Awesome.
Okay.
I really want to do that again. I should have done that better. Hey.
Okay. Oh, someone's coming really fast. I hope they do not hit James.
Come on, do it again. Okay.
Well, let's do that again. We just stopped the video.
All right, my hands